Hi folks, welcome to Toolbox Tuesday. Sorry I didn't do one last week. I was actually moving my toolbox into the unit. We're here, it's in. Before we get into the video, can you do me a favour? Subscribe to the channel, give me a like, please share the channel and drop a comment. Also in the descriptions, please go check out my friends, Ralfy Customs, Outlaw Edge, Mopar, Papito's Casa de Welding, Kahnawake, oh fuck. What's this fucking Kahnawake workshop and garages? It's in the description, just go check it out. I completely forgot, my mind's gone blank. I did so well last time we did this as well. Who we done? We done Ralfy, Heidi and Arco, Outlaw Edge, Mopar, Papito's, Kahnawake, and then Myco Knight. Shit, sorry about that. Yeah, full on brain fart then. I don't know why. It just happens. So yeah, go check out my friends in the description. Also, while you're in the description, please check out my Teespring store. You know, I'm trying to get this new unit sorted out, and I need all the funds I can get. So please support me as much as you can. In the store, we've got t-shirts, we've got mugs, we've got hoodies, we've got all sorts of products in all sorts of colours. So anyway, let's crack on to Toolbox Tuesday. Right, so today we're going to tackle this drawer. When I say tackle, it's not really a complicated drawer at all. This is basically my ratchet drawer. So I've got a 1/2 inch ratchet here. There's a Halford's one that I ended up welding a bit of pipe on because I needed extra leverage. Got another Halford's 3/8 ratchet here. Now this was really good, but the head's got a little bit floppy. It's got old. So what happens? You know, your head gets a little bit floppy. I've got a snap-on one here. It was one of the first snap-on ratchets I ever bought. As you can see, the handle's been chewed up. I like the soft grips handles because I've had carpal tunnel syndrome, and I've actually had to have a carpal tunnel decompression. You can see the scar there. Look. So yeah, I do prefer the meatier handle. Then I've got another 3/8 ratchet. I actually got this free when I bought my screwdrivers, which you haven't seen yet. Initially, I did plan that I was never ever going to use this. It was just going to be like a collectible, because at the time I wasn't going to keep doing these handles. And then somebody else used it and scratched it, so I just thought, fuck it, I'm just going to keep using it. It's an old snap-on ratchet, 3/8 again. Can't remember where this come from. I picked it up cheap, but I can't actually remember where it came from. Then we got a 1/4 drive ratchet. I bought this wobbly head because it matches that one, because I'm a child and I like things to be pretty. And then I've got a little Cromwell 1/4 drive. It's missing a screw, and to be fair, this doesn't work that much. That well, you can't put a lot of pressure on it. But most things that you do with 1/4 drive, you don't need to give it a lot of pressure. So then I've got 3/8 Milwaukee M12, I think it is. Yeah, the M12 lithium. I do love this thing. Absolutely love it. It hasn't got a lot of torque, but it saves so much time. Then I've got this old thing. Now, this was supposed to be a 14.4 volt. Then the batteries died of death, but my drawer runs on 18 volts. So all I did was I shaved the little pin off, and then now this runs on 18 volts, and it's an absolute fucking beast. Sparks and everything. But I love that. I've got this 1/2 inch nut gun, but that doesn't quite work properly. There's something wrong with the trigger. I need to have a look at it. So then also in this drawer, random pot of extra bits, an extra plug socket. That's for removing sort of wheel nuts and locking wheel nuts. Just spare bits of just random sockets collected over the years. And you got the old sump bung sort of kit, you know, for gearboxes and or like the drain plug kit, sorry. And then a stud extractor kit. Don't use that much because I tend to use like sort of either 2 nuts or a pair of mole grips or whatever. But I have it. So yeah, that's it. Just a nice quick Toolbox Tuesday. Another little drawer shown to you. Again, like I said at the top of the video, please check out the Teespring store. Please subscribe, please like, please drop a comment. Also, please check out all my friends in the description. You know, go give them a sub, go give them a like, drop a comment, and just let them know that you've come from me. I'll see you next time. Bye.